You don't need $1 million budget or designer furniture to make your home look like a luxury boutique hotel. More often than not, the secret lies in how you bring nature indoors. Welcome back to NestNova.
Today, we're breaking down 5 indoor plants that interior designers use to instantly elevate a space, and exactly how you can style them on a budget.
Make sure to watch until number 4, because it's the ultimate low-maintenance cheat code for busy people. First up is the Monstera deliciosa. There's a reason this plant dominates interior design magazines. Its massive cutout leaves create a dramatic architectural silhouette that acts as a living art piece in any room. But here is the trick. Never leave it in the cheap plastic pot it came in. To get that high-end look, place your Monstera in an oversized ceramic planter or a textured concrete pot. Position it in an empty corner right next to your main sofa to instantly draw the eye upward. Next up is the snake plant. Luxury is as much about the vibe and air quality as it is about visuals. The snake plant is a powerhouse air purifier, releasing fresh oxygen even at night, making it perfect for your bedroom. Because its leaves grow straight and structural, it carries a very modern, minimalist aesthetic. Don't hide it on the floor. Place it on a sleek mid-century metal or wooden stand to elevate its profile and fill empty vertical spaces. Number 3 is the humble Golden Pothos. Almost everyone has one, but it often ends up looking messy if left untamed. To make it look expensive, we use what designers call the Cascade effect. Instead of letting the vines trail randomly along the wall, place the pot on your highest bookshelf or a floating shelf. Let the vibrant green vines spill naturally downward. It adds softness to sharp architectural lines and makes any room feel incredibly cozy. Now, if you have a busy lifestyle or a track record of accidentally killing plants, number 4 is your savior, the ZZ plant. Its leaves are naturally so thick and glossy, they literally look like polished wax. Why do designers love it? It thrives in low light and only needs water once a month. Because of its compact, sculptural shape, it makes the perfect centerpiece for your home office desk or entryway console. Finally, number 5, the ultimate statement piece, the Fiddle leaf fig. If you have a large blank wall or an empty corner that needs a major upgrade, this indoor tree is your answer. Its huge, violin-shaped leaves scream premium design. To style it like a pro, pair it with a large, hand-woven jute basket. The raw texture of the basket, contrasting with the deep green leaves, creates a perfectly balanced, warm luxury aesthetic. Transforming your space doesn't require a massive renovation sometimes. It just takes the right plant in the right planter. Which of these styling tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to turn your house into a beautiful designer home, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the NestNova family. Thank you for watching, and happy decorating!